All right, what is up, tycoons? What's up, traders? Super excited for today's video. We're going to take a look at the Labs Group token, ticker symbol LABS, breaking things down on the daily time frame. Now, this actually is a viewer request. I do these viewer requests every single week. So if you want to see your token, your crypto in the next one, all you got to do is comment down below, and I'll get to it as soon as I can. We're going to review the MACD, how you can use this to spot potential entries and exits, as well as go over the major support levels, right? And how I actually come up with those using the Fibonacci retracement tool. It's a very important and really useful arsenal tool that you can add to your arsenal, as trading is like going to battle. It's like going to war. You need to have the proper weapons, and you need to know how to use those weapons to, really increase your odds of success on the battlefield. So make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. The content provided in this YouTube channel is for informational and educational purposes only, and is not intended to be relied upon as legal, financial, or investment advice. I'm not a registered financial advisor or broker. Trading in stocks, bonds, crypto, commodities involves a significant risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. So make sure to read through the full disclaimer, okay? And we're going to head back over to the chart now and break down the key things that I'm really looking at so you guys can see as well. And so what we have, I mentioned the MACD and the Fibonacci levels, right? And so the Fibs, I like to use the 38.2, the 50%, and the 61.8% retracement levels. Reason being is these are the three most common and well-respected. And you use these because nothing moves in a straight line down or in a straight line up. Rather, you get a move up, retracement, continuation higher, or a move down, retracement, continuation lower. So it's helpful to spot trend continuation, right? And that's what we got, right? We had the move up since the beginning of the year in 2023. We had a strong push up, we had a healthy retracement, and we continued the push up higher. And then we had another healthy retracement, and it's possible we could continue moving upwards. Markets like to move in 3-wave and 5-wave structures, and we got a 1, 2, 3 up here. It's possible that this is our wave 4 on the most recent pullback. And if things want to continue being bullishness, wave 5 would take us up to some of our bullish price targets above. Now, I'll go over those here shortly. But one thing I want to mention was the MACD. Okay, it's very useful for spotting potential entries and exits, right? So an exit signal would be when this red line crosses down below the blue line. You can see that happens right over here, and we get a significant pullback from around the 0.08 area all the way down to about 0.05. 0.005, sorry. And then over here, we get a crossover to the upside, all right? And when the red line crosses above the blue line, typically that's an entry signal. And you can see we reclaim our levels right here, get above that 38.2, get the MACD crossover, and get a strong push to the upside. Now, shortly afterwards, we got a red line crossing down below the blue line right in this time period. We had another significant pullback. All right, but most recently, our MACD has crossed over to the upside, and we've had a strong push after holding our 61.8% level. Okay, so that's how I like to use the MACD. It's very effective on the daily time frame, but no one strategy is going to be 100%. Now, we are starting to see a little bit of a pullback. If you look at the RSI, this measures the relative strength of a token at its given price. And what we can see is that we actually came up to this dotted line here, which is the technical definition of overbought. That level is 70. Okay, so we are seeing a little bit of a pullback, but ultimately we want to hold above 0.0013618. If we can do that and consolidate here and move upwards, that's when we have the potential of hitting our bullish price targets that I'll go over in just a second. Okay, but it makes sense that we're getting a little bit of a pullback. Now that pullback may continue, and we could drop back to some of our major levels of 0.0011662, 0.0009706, right? Those are going to be the main key levels. And if we break below 0.0009706 and ultimately flip that to resistance, then that's the chance when we could see a reversal. Remember, I talked about the fibs and trend continuation with a move up, retracement, continuation higher. If you move up, retrace, consolidate, and break through those retracement levels, that's how you can spot a potential move to the downside. Quick word from today's sponsor, Tandem. Now, the Tandem wallet is a cold multi-currency crypto wallet that supports over 2,000 coins and tokens. It is a safe, reliable, user-friendly, and functional solution designed by a Swiss cold wallet provider. It looks like a regular credit card, and it functions without any batteries, wires, and connectors. So no more having to connect your cold storage wallet to your PC or your laptop. right? No more bulky wires, anything like that. The setup time is about 1 to 3 minutes. It literally took me 2 minutes to set up my cold storage wallet. Now, why do I have them as a sponsor? Well, as you guys know, FTX and a lot of these exchanges, you cannot trust them, right? You truly do not know what they're doing with your crypto. And if it's not your keys, then it's not your crypto, right? Remember that phrase. So be smart, take your cryptocurrency, get it off the exchanges and put it in a cold storage wallet. I personally have the Tandem cold storage wallet. It's great. Now, what you want to do is you want to use the Tandem wallet by downloading the app on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Right. And if you use code Zachly, like the channel name Zachly Trades, that's capital ZACHLY, you guys can get a discount on your purchase of your Tandem cold storage wallets. They're available in packs of 2 and 3, and the extra cards are actually backups. So in case you do happen to lose your cold storage wallet in the form of a credit card, you do have other backup ones as well, and you can deactivate and shut off essentially the one that you lost. Right, so it's super easy to use. All you have to do is scan and activate, set up the password, and then you can start making transactions. It's bringing crypto in the world together with more than 500,000 cards produced and sold, satisfied customers in 170 countries, and it doesn't stop there. This thing is DeFi compatible, guys. I love that. You can exchange, buy NFTs, make loans and deposits in more than 100 different decentralized applications with the help of Wallet Connect. It's compatible with Curve Finance, Yearn Finance, Sushi Swap, Spooky Swap, Trader Joe, Aave, Uniswap, OpenSea, and many more. Okay, and it, like I mentioned before, it supports over 2,729 cryptocurrencies currently. All right, 26 blockchain networks. And what's really great about it is this thing is life proof and weather proof, guys. You can completely submerge it in water and it still will work. All right, you can freeze it. It's heat resistant. All right, this thing is awesome. I really love mine and I highly recommend you guys to get one as well. So that way you can actually own your cryptocurrency and get it off of these exchanges, right? So download today. Go to the Apple App Store, go to the Google App Store, type in Tandem, download the app, and you can purchase a pack of 2 or a pack of 3. And one of my favorite things about it is it's not going to break the bank, guys. You don't have to spend over $100 or hundreds of dollars now to get a cool cold storage wallet to keep your cryptocurrency safe. Tandem is affordable, and if you use code Zachly, ZACHLY, like the channel name Zachly Trades, you guys will get a discount on your purchase of your Tandem wallet and also help support the channel. So that's it for our sponsor. Back to today's video. So if our MACD right here can continue heading in this upward direction, because it's got a lot of room in between it now, between that blue line, and typically, that leads to a rally. So we're going to see if that can happen and if we can stay above that 0.00136618 level. All right, and if we can, we have the potential of hitting 0.002 and then also 0.00232218. Those are going to be my 2 overhead targets. We did hit, right around 0.002 here recently on the last pop. And as I mentioned, markets tend to move in 3 or 5 wave structures. We got a 3-wave structure. This possibly could be wave 4. And we're going to see if we can get a wave 5 to the upside. Now, keep in mind, if we do break our major support levels based on the fibs, we could end up seeing a move down to retest some of our previous lows, and that would be a bearish 3-wave structure with a 1, 2, 3 down. Okay, so can't guarantee the future. I don't have a crystal ball, guys, but what I can do is actually teach you guys a few things, whether it's indicators, whether it's the fibs. All right, and giving you guys some realistic price targets to the upside as well as to the downside. And hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you want to see your stock, your crypto token, whatever it is in the next video, all you've got to do is comment down below and I'll make a video on it as soon as I can. I do want to mention also that I have been doing a lot more of Zoom sessions, right? So if you guys want a one-on-one Zoom session and we can go over whatever it is you want, if you guys are down on a big position, We can review the token, see what some of the price action has been, where some of your mistakes were, what you could have done wrong, what you can possibly do in the future. If you guys want me to just go over some basics with you, whatever it is, I'm here to help. Email me at zackleytrades@gmail.com and I'll reply as soon as I can. And we can work on setting up a one-on-one session via Zoom. And really, just get that one-on-one touch so that way you can feel personalized and actually get, some questions answered on specific things you're looking for.